Hello everyone. In this video, we will try a simple pattern from polygons. Let's get started. First I will prepare a new document with a size of 2000 by 2000 pixels. And raster effects to high. OK. Now, create a polygon. Radius 100 px and 6 sides. Fill the gradient. You can follow my color. Line stroke white color 3 points. Click the gradient tool to set the angle. Next, Selection, Objects, Patterns, and Make. Change tile type to hex by column. You can follow settings like this. Now, click Done. Draw a rectangle. Change fill color with your pattern. Finish. Now you can save or export to image. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.